all are doing great and staying safe at your homes. For today's look, I have created this eye look and I have used Makeup Revolution's Reloaded Hypnotic Palette. I have created this entire look with this palette, and if I talk about the palette, I really like the matte shades. The matte shades are quite matte, they are very easy to blend, they are very pigmented. Now coming to shimmer shades, they are okay, they are not that blinding, but you can definitely work with them. You can build these colors using setting spray. You can use your fingers to get the maximum intensity of these shimmer shades. You can definitely create a lot of glam looks, some neutral looks with this palette. It's really good for beginners if they want to try their hands on makeup, and if they want to practice a lot of eye makeups, you can definitely go with this palette. Overall, I really like this palette. If you want to see how I created this look, then please continue watching.
So to begin with eye makeup, I am taking that lightest brown shade from the palette and applying it on my crease area and working this as a transition shade on my entire crease. And now picking that chocolate brown shade from the palette, and I'm just applying it slightly below my crease area and just intensifying the shade and deepening enough on my outer V and on my crease. Next, I'm spritzing some setting spray on a flat shader brush, and I'm just taking that metallic brown shade from the palette and applying on my other half lid. Now picking that black shadow from the palette, and I'm just intensifying and deepening my outer corners, outer V part of the eyes. I'm just trying to blend all these shadows so that they look all put together. Next, I'm using this spot liner by Lakme and applying a thin band of line on my upper lash line. And now I'm quickly curling my lashes, and I'm using this Hypercurl mascara and applying a coat of this mascara and adding a pair of false eyelashes. Eyes are done. Now coming to face, I'm using this Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. I'm using a very generous amount of this primer on the apples of my cheeks, around my nose and around my mouth, just patting and pressing around my nose. Next, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So far I'm really liking this foundation a lot. This is the closest match I got for my skin tone, and I really felt that this foundation is very lightweight. It gives a very medium to sheer coverage. Next, I'm using this Pro Conceal by LA Girl. My shade is pure beige, and just applying on around my nose and little bit on under my eyes, so it cancels out and corrects all the ashiness or darkness anywhere around my eyes. I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer and brightening on the high points of my face just to highlight all my features. Adding a very tiny bit of this concealer and just patting and pressing the concealer with the damp beauty blender. I really like this concealer. It doesn't crease and oxidize. To set all these concealer, I'm using MAC Studio Fix Compact Powder. I have started using less of powder products on my face so that I could get a very natural base. Next, to bring back the warmth on my face, I'm using this bronzer by Maybelline. This is their V Face Duo bronzer, and I'm just applying on the jawline, on the hollows of my cheeks, around my nose, and just contouring my nose and little bit on the forehead. Now comes blush. I'm using this MAC Pro Longwear blush. This is in the shade Feeling Romance, and just applying a very sheer blush on my apples of my cheeks. I'm using this highlighter by Nykaa Glow Getter highlighter. I'm just applying a very little highlighter on the high points of my cheeks. And now I'm grooming my brows. I'm using this Nykaa Brow 1 Point pencil, just simply filling the spare gaps and brushing it up. And finally using this lipstick by MAC, in the shade Velvet Teddy, adding those shadows on my lower lash line as well. Just adding that light brown shadow on my lower lash line just halfway through, and adding a little bit of mascara. Using this pencil by Nykaa, this is in the shade Azure Charm 05. And lastly using some spritzes of MAC Prep Plus Prime setting spray. And with that, the look is complete.
So yeah, that's all for the video. I hope you like this look, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.